Si Jenica ang operator ng DTF dito sa branch ng Metrotown na may 6 na araw na bilang at meron 60 total meters. At ito naman po yung printer head natin. At ito naman po yung damper. At ito yung cupping natin na may 90%. Good condition po. Head clean. After head clean, punasan natin ng wiper. Kompleto naman po ang nozzle test. Yung system natin tama lang ang label. At ito naman po yung gamit natin. Waste lang, kakapit lang yung araw. At ito yung ABR po natin. Ito po yung use, high use. Stock natin ng detail powder. Stock natin ng detail film. At ito naman po yung daily output record natin. Consumable withdrawal. Weekly physical inventory po. At ito naman po yung maintenance checklist natin. Salamat po.